Stubai's Tinsmith seaming pliers, forged from C45 carbon steel, are available in two styles: the traditional lap joint and the innovative box joint, which is one of Stubai's trademark. Seaming pliers belong to one of the essential tools for any sheet metal worker. Stubai manufactures a large assortment of seaming pliers in different styles and sizes. Red-coated PVC handles allow a more comfortable use by high or low temperatures and helps locating the tools by twilight or darkness. It is Stubai's constant drive to develop new ideas that brought us to proudly present the forged stainless steel line.